Hi guys, we are starting daily vlogging starting today. And so yeah, I'm out here. This is my typical morning. We're actually at my sister's house. My husband and I, we sold our house back in December, and we've been traveling a little bit throughout the United States. We're going to be doing that all throughout the year, and we are going to do a video telling you guys exactly why we sold our house and what our game plan is for the upcoming year. But yeah, I'm about to eat some breakfast. I just had 2 Oreos and some almond milk. That's not my breakfast, but it was Valentine's Day last night, and yeah, that was my Valentine's dinner. I just realized I'm not wearing pants, and there are trucks all over the place. Like, I mean, they're far away, but still. Just pop them into the air fryer, which I'll leave a link. I'll leave a link to my air fryer below. 15 minutes. Right, so while that's in the air fryer, I'm gonna have a couple of these, maybe 2, maybe 3, dipped in my almond milk. And yeah, it's a typical morning. I mean, not really with the Oreos because it was Valentine's night last night and things got a little crazy. But yeah, a part of the reason I started this vlog, this daily vlog, is because I wanted to show you guys as a mom, this can be done with a family. It doesn't have to be this. That is a train. I will cut this clip short because I don't want my audio all messed up. But yeah, let me go inside and check. Really, train? One more? I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I just turned to go in the house, and the smell of these potatoes, when I tell you, oh my gosh. Listen, let's go and check on these potatoes. The ringer just went off, so I'm gonna flip them and put 5 more minutes. And yeah, like, are you, like, do you guys smell that? Like, okay, okay. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. Oof. This is what they look like. That's what they look like. As I sing a lot throughout the day, I hope that you are ready for just the vocal styling of it all. But yeah, so this is what I do. I just take it and I flip it. It's already pretty soft, but I like it extra soft. Oh, that one wants to be a little rebel. Fight, bro. There we go. Fought with me. I won. They're all on this side now. All right. 5, I guess 7 more minutes. All right, so yeah, 5 more minutes. And all right, this clip has been 2 minutes already. And I'm trying to do this thing where I just do 8 2-minute clips. I've been trying to figure out a nice format for this vlogging thing, and if I can just do 8 2-minute clips, 16-minute vlogs, right? That's what people like, vlogs around that length. All right, so yeah, I feel like I'm like it's like college, or I went to boarding school, and we used to have this thing called 9:30 to 10, and the girls, whenever girls were like had a crush on a boy or something, or they had a boyfriend, they would, like, you know, be like in the front of the dorm, posted up against the wall, and the guy would be on the other side, and they'd be just like that. I don't know, I always thought that was so funny. I was not one of those people. I hated everybody. I was a loner. I had like 2 friends. I'm still the same way, except I don't hate everybody. Now I'm just like, I have so much love for everyone, because I get it. I get everybody is just trying to figure things out, man. We're all trying to figure this stuff out, and I think it's fun. I think social media is fun, getting to know so many new people. I just ran this clip another 2 minutes talking about how much I want to have clips for 2 minutes, because that makes sense. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited about these daily vlogs. I know you haven't seen the kids yet or my husband yet. I feel like I hear people waking up, which, you know, when you want to have your little morning time to yourself, it's like, come on guys, just go back to bed, you know, enjoy your sleep time. But I do a lot of voices. You guys are really gonna get to see my personality too, because I'm not, you know, very buttoned up. I'm not wearing pants right now, so we covered that. But I'm so zany, I don't wear pants. No, I try to have pants on by the time the kids wake up. That's what's most important. That's like rule number one. Try to have pants on by the time the kids wake up. All right, this clip is now 5 minutes long, and I'm yeah, I'm a bit of a talker. And part of when I was starting a channel, do you want to know the first thing my mom said to me? She goes, don't talk too much. You know how embarrassing that is, but that's always been my thing. I love to have long, deep conversations, and yeah, so it won't hurt my feelings if you guys were like, yeah, just 6 minutes tops, because I would love to do vlogs only 6 minutes. It helps me to like control myself and contain myself, because I have so... I think the train gave me the answer. The train just gave me the answer that I'm looking for. You talk too much. All right, let's see you guys inside. My feelings are very hurt by that train right now. Very hurt. When a train hurts your feelings should be the title of this vlog. When a train tells you talk too much. When a train tells you talk too much. I don't know if you heard that over the train telling me I talk too much. Okay. All right. If this is a terrible idea, by the way, the whole vlogging thing, I won't know it because, yeah, I'm still gonna do it anyway. All right, I'll see you guys inside. Bye. All right, and here is the final product. They're soft, super flavorful. Let me see if you guys can, I can tap that, tap that. Soft, flavorful, ready to go. Putting 2 spoons because my husband just woke up and we're gonna eat that, and we'll probably have something a little bit later.
Ooh. Oh no, he wants some too. Hi. Good morning.
I was explaining how we're going to be daily vlogging now and how much the baby loves potatoes.
And grabbing things.
Alright guys, so this is what the potatoes turned out like. They're flavorful, they're hot, they're soft. We're probably going to have more than just this, but we wanted to just do a quick little chat with you guys. Am I on your hair? Oh, the baby is, oh my gosh.
You got it.
He just grabbed my whole potato. But yeah, so we wanted to do a quick talk with you guys, tell you about some of our goals for the channel. It's super loud out here.
But it's nice for winter time.
It's really nice. Alright, so you want to tell about some of the goals that we have for the channel?
Definitely gonna be daily vlogging. So hope you guys are excited for that. I know a couple people have been requesting that, so we're gonna get back to the vlogging, but we're gonna do it every day. What else we got? What else we got going on?
Recipes in the vlogs,
as usual.
We're gonna have recipes in the vlogs. Pretty much in every single vlog we're gonna try and do a recipe. And
I'll grab your whole potato again.
I know he is.
Yeah, it came out really good. Like
nice.
super mashed potatoey on the inside, but like,
yeah, that's why he can eat it.
Look at that. But like super crispy on the outside, so it's like a giant French fry.
Yeah guys, I'm always talking about the air fryer. But yeah, we use it at pretty much every meal. Is my hand on your hair?
I wanted more potatoes, so Bristol made some more potatoes with some tofu scramble there, some buns with butter.
Mixing until it's smooth. Keep stirring until raspberry. Test it.
Is it good?
Add the butter. Like that.
How was that? Alright, so the potatoes are ready. I'm going to show you guys how everything looks when it's all fixed up.
Potatoes!
This is a learning curve, so I've got to, you know, learn my angles and what makes me the most.
And all of that.
Yeah, we gotta learn our angles.
All my angles are good, girl.
Calm down. Karina, pass me the butter, please. So we've got some toast. This is brioche. Some brioche toast. And we've got some tofu scramble. And we've got some
Yummy stuff.
potatoes. So now I'm just gonna get this all set up for the kids. There's the baby down there being babyish. Hi, baby.
The baby is right.
Yeah.
Wondering how I still kid.
Look at those.
Can I have a piece?
Hi, darling.
Just a little piece of
Can I
egg,
take off
please.
these right here?
Egg.
Alright, so here's everybody's food. Grab your plate, go sit down. Grab your plate, go sit down. Grab your plate, go sit down.
The one with the watermelon.
I'll put your watermelon on the table for you. Okay? Take your time.
This one is yummy.
Oh no! Daddy couldn't carry you? Where are you going? Where are you going, buddy?
Sorry. I'm a fun people. And now I'm going to
Ah!
get the ball on the
Fun people.
Here you go, Carmi. How is it, Karina? Good? Rocky? Why you turned away? You didn't want your open mouth on camera? How is it, Mookie? Good. Good? Yeah, it's been kind of raining on and off.
rain. So free in the rain. In the rain.
Look at his face.
In the rain.
Wesley, are you in the rain?
In the rain.
Are you in the rain?
So free. In the rain. In the rain.
Yeah, I gotta go inside. But yeah, so I was going to show you guys how to make the pasta, the homemade vegan pasta today. But instead, I made a video yesterday, and I will link to that video in the description box of this video. You'll see how I make my homemade vegan pasta from scratch. And then also, I think I have vegan chocolate ice cream in that video. And then what else is in that video, Willen?
Chocolate cake, pasta, and pancakes.
Pancakes. And I have links to the chocolate cake and everything. What? And burgers. I have links to all those things in that other video. And if you guys are interested in how to make tofu scramble, you just take the tofu, you crumble it up. You can use a tofu press if you want, but I don't use that. As long as you season it up good, it'll taste really good. Every day we're just going to show you guys one of the meals that we have. If you guys want to see every single meal that we have every day, we can definitely do that too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we don't have a sign-off planned yet. Something about, you know, there are infinite amount of rules to break in life. Break a rule today, but be safe doing so. Leave a comment below letting me know what you guys are having for dinner or what you had for breakfast today. whatever you guys want to leave a comment about. And yes, we are officially daily vlogging starting today. We're going to do daily vlogs Monday through Friday, and then on the weekends we'll most likely post recipe videos, and we'll also have recipe videos during the week. So but on the weekend it's going to be exclusive recipe videos and motivational content and stuff. I'm also starting a podcast that will have more tips and tricks for going vegan with your family, and then just general life, you know, motivational type stuff, and learning how to, you know, just look at life a little differently. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.